Dear students, next chapter is chapter 4, linear equation in two variable. So what is the standard form of linear equation? First of all, you have to know standard form of linear equation. That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation where a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant term. Say twice x minus thrice y equal to 3.5. This is an equation. So if you have to find out the value of a, b and c. What is the value of a? The value of a is the coefficient of x, that is 2. Value of y, the b is the coefficient of y, including the sign also. Here also including the sign, this is plus, so it is 2. This is minus 3. What is the value of c? Now this is not the value of c. First of all, you have to convert this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That's why you have to take the c in the left hand side. It will be minus 3.5 equal to 0. So you convert this equation to the standard form of linear equation. After that, you can only find the value of c. So c, now the c is this one, minus 3.5. So like that you can find the value of a, b and c from a linear equation. Okay. Now see, in this linear equation, some values of x and y you can find out. Okay. Now see, one example I am giving you. Say the equation is 4x plus thrice y equal to 12. You can find infinite number of values of x and y. So if from this equation, if x equal to 0, then what is the value of y? So if you have to put the value of x is 0. So 4 into 0 plus thrice y equal to 12. So it is equal to thrice y equal to 12. So y equal to 12 by 3. This is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 0, y you can find it is 4. Okay. If x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? 4 into 1 plus thrice y equal to 12. 4 plus thrice y equal to 12. So thrice y equal to 12 minus 4, it is equal to 8. So y equal to 8 by 3. Or you can find some decimal value of it. Okay. So after finding these equations, these solutions, you have to put down this solution in the form of a graph. So always remember, you have to take the values like this. This will be a whole number or an integer. Okay. हमेशा देखना कि ये इंटीजर में आए. ठीक है. So here it is come to the point. Okay. So it is difficult to put in the graph paper. So always take the values what it's come in the integer as a form of integer. Okay. Now if say x is equal to, if I take it is 3. If I take x is equal to 3, you see 4 into 3 plus 3y equal to 12. 3 4s are 12 plus thrice y equal to 12. Clear? this one equal to thrice y equal to 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the solution? Solutions you find, therefore the solutions are, first one I take this one 0 and 4. Always you write the value of x is first and the y is second, because you have to put these values on the graph, and that's why you have to write it in the coordinate form. So 0, 4. And second one, I'll take this one, because I don't take this one because it is, you find it this one as decimal number, so leave it. Okay, I take this one. So it is 3 and 0. Clear? And always you know that when you put this coordinate on the graph paper, always the linear equation, it is in the form of a straight line. It is in the form of a straight line. Okay. So what is your point? Your point is, one point is 0, 4, another point is 3 and 0. Clear? Now if I put this in the graph paper, then this is like this. Okay, na? Graph paper is like this, is 0, origin, this side is x, this side is y, this side is x dash, this side is y dash. So in the graph paper, it is given, the division is given. When you see the graph paper, no, some square boxes are given in the graph paper, and from that square boxes you have to divide equally in unit distance. All the values should be in unit distance. Okay, this side is -2, -1, this all the negative integers. Okay, so the first point is 0, 4. 0 is this, 4 is which side? This is y-axis, so in this side, and it is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is, this is 4. This point is 4. Okay, and second one is 3, 0. 3 is the x value and it is positive, so it will go to this side. So 1, 2, 3. And y, the value of y is 0, so it will be on the x-axis, and will be on y-axis. So this coordinate is 0, 4, and this coordinate is 3, 0. Now you have to draw the graph. That means you join these two line segments. So you have to join it, the straight line. Always you find, if the calculation is correct, then you find that it is straight line. If you don't find it is a straight line, then obviously your calculation is incorrect. So this is you represent the graph, the linear equation graphically, and you find a straight line. Okay, so always you have to join all the points. You can find out the points more than 2 points. You can find out 3 or 4 points also. Clear? Okay.